really Makumalo's daughter out here chasing success. So for those who don't know what is going on today, it is Mpilo Mseleko's graduation, the first graduating Ganini Zakam Seleko. Guys, congratulations to Mpilo Mseleko. I don't know where Musa he is right now. I'm sure he'll be posting many pictures on his social media page. Guys, Makumalo also posted to appreciate her daughter. Usimpiwe ingani yakamangwabe also did a post. And guys, others they're just quite minding their own business, and people already dragging Usne over to why is this guys, why Usne she's not posting. And she did say lapana ku trailer is this tembo season 3 ukuthi vele yena akamthandi Mpilo guys, and Mpilo she did say she doesn't have a problem not being liked by Snake guys. Now you can see that Snake guys has a problem with everyone, so people are saying ukuthi Snake, do you see what other kids are doing? Another person who's doing so well, and I'm proud of her guys, Unosipo. Do you still remember the young lady who was introduced last year? Is Ngani's Temple season 2. We were told ukuthi uzoba first wife yakampumelelo. She's also graduating today guys. She was doing her honors last year. Congratulations to her guys. One thing about that girl guys is she's very focused. I'm not gonna lie. Congratulations to Nosipo. So anyway guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.